Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play online No Man's Sky Switch only ways. Start by creating a Nintendo Switch Online profile and installing the Only Way update on each console. Launch No Man's Sky, choose Multiplayer, and have the host create a friends or invite-only session. Send and accept the invite, then meet at a planet or space station to begin exploring, trading, and building bases together. To join a session, open the friends list and accept an invite or use an invite link if provided. If you cannot find the session, confirm both players are online and using the same version of Only Way. Hosts should set clear session privacy and share meeting coordinates or a planet name. Once connected, synchronize waypoints and decide objectives like exploration, resource farming, or base upgrades for an efficient cooperative play session. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: grab those leak-proof meal prep containers to keep snacks neat during marathon sessions, since spills can ruin a controller or save. They stack well and fit in bags so you can snack without stopping your exploration. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if that sounds good now, let's get back to the video. Coordinate roles early so one player focuses on piloting and another on mining or base work to maximize efficiency. Share resources like warp cells and base materials to accelerate upgrades and construction. Use voice chat or quick messages to call out threats, coordinates, and trade offers while exploring a planet or system. Set common goals each session, such as mapping systems, boosting fleet power, or building a shared base for long-term cooperative play.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.